Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Laragon in your computer in a very simple way. Laragon cleaner and more portable local development environment than XAMPP. So how you can simply download it, very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Laragon. Download. Click on that. And then if you click on download Laragon, if you click on this, you're going to get, you have to scroll down a little bit and then you're going to find out the download option. Click on the download, or here is the download Laragon. Click on that, click on download. And as you can see that the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission and minimize all of the background tab, close it, click OK. Next and install, and you can simply see the installation has been completed. Now if you just click on yes and restart the computer, now it will going to launch the Laragon, and right now I don't want it to, so simply click on the Laragon, and as you can see Laragon is rightly open in our computer. So this is how you can simply download and install Laragon in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.